Where? Count them all.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. How do you write 8?
Like this.
Like this.
Draw a S and draw another S.
Very good.
That's how.
That's how to do 8. Next.
That's how. Look. I must look it on this.
Where? Yay, that's 8. Come on, the other one. Stick 7 now. Stick 7 now.
Why?
Here. Is that 7?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I must raise that one.
7, you add
1, 2, 3,
nothing.
4, 5, 6, 7.
7 and you add nothing. It's still 7, right? Bring down 7.
What's this?
0. Nothing. So just bring down 7 here. Write 7, anak. Let's show the people our dress. St. Philip said Mickey Mouse. Is this a Mickey girl?
Yes.
And about you, Mickey?
This one is,
Mickey boy?
yeah,
And me?
Mickey good.
Girl.
That's why
show
the
the,
whole.
yeah, show the people.
This is only for kids.
Oh.
This one is for kids.
Okay, that's for kids. Yeah.
This that means only for kids.